What's up? It's your boy, CCTV. Welcome to my video. Like 3 subscribers I have. Let's go for a ride. Let's rip it down these stairs. Because Betty can do that. Yeah. Start. Oh, I'm so sorry about your forks. I know I just replaced them. Hey, y'all, how y'all doing? This is one of those videos that I'm gonna start uploading in lieu of my computer being broken. It's just gonna be like short, I'd say short, full-length clips of just unedited footage. So it could be 5 minutes, it could be 3 minutes, it could be just footage of me riding around listening to music. That's the video, and like I dubbed the music over so you can hear it too. Like that could be the video. But today's is probably gonna be like a 10-15 minute video, just me talking to myself. And I want to start doing this kind of uploading because I can do this from my phone. I can transfer from my GoPro to my phone and upload it from my phone, so at least I can give the people that want to see me make videos something. It may not be as high quality as something I could make on a computer with editing software, and editing videos like that is really confusing on my phone. I say confusing and I just don't like it. I would much rather just send in unedited footage because, I mean, that's kind of more raw, isn't it? How many motovloggers just cut to like things that they try to create? Like something happens and they make it more than it should be, or they create a situation that they can react to, like a crazy driver pulls out in front of them and when in reality it was their friend who did it, just to get views. I feel like that's so easy when you do stuff with editing. You can make so many videos seem interesting that wouldn't really have been an interesting ride. Like my problem is, if I don't have an interesting ride, I delete the footage. If there's a single point that's interesting, I try to save it. But yeah, typically I delete the footage. I don't keep everything. Like, there's no telling how many times I ride this road back home every day and it just gets deleted. That's normal. But yeah, I want to send it to my phone, upload to YouTube, boom, give y'all some videos. There's a really long tangent I went off on. But I want to at least upload something. I've been wanting to get into this YouTube game for a while. I have a lot of ideas that would be pretty good. And I just like biking, and people like my bike stuff, my bike content, so. I really just want to go down the side, but I know that I can't. It'd be my luck that I'd pass the cop. Oh, it's 5:17. I am in 5 o'clock traffic. A place where Betty gets really hot but never overheats. This bike is never overheated, and I ride it hard every single day that it's not just like storming here. Like anyone that tells me that they have they got a bike like in the last 6 months and they're just now breaking 1,000 miles on it, like, bro, I know I'm gatekeeping, but step up, because you gotta ride that bike more. You gotta appreciate that thing. 15 to 2,000 miles, 1,500 to 2,000 miles every single month goes on this baby. Takes it like a champ because she's a good running bike and never overheated. None of my other bikes overheated either, but my R6 got really close. And one time I got really worried about my CBR, but apparently it just runs hot. Like 225 is normal. I really don't know what Betty runs, because when I had gauges, they didn't have a temperature. They just were like, it would just flash if the bike was heating up too much, so I couldn't actually see how hot it was. Like the R6, the R1, the Ninja 250, the CBR, they all got gauges where I can see how hot they get. Pick a lane, bro. Ooh, that sound. Some good music on up in here. Wairu. What does that mean? Wairu? What on earth? You know, it's not every day that you have a stroke while you're customizing your license plate, but you're a brave man for keeping it. And here we have an S2000. Give me some of that exhaust. Yeah. Woo. Golly. Here I am fanboying about a car. I've always wanted an S2000. I think they're so cool. You may not be able to get the crazy amount of power you can get out of some other cars, but man, S2000. I like it. You want to give it a rev? Hell yeah! Let's get off and go this way. Golly. Yeah, this was the perfect time to start this not editing portion of my videos. I'm over here talking about people fabricating stories to make their videos interesting, and then instantly I just have something pop up out of nowhere. Look, I don't know about you, but I'm fangirling over about that S2000, and most of my gearhead friends are probably doing the same thing. Golly, this video is going to be pretty long. I don't know how many minutes have passed by. I'm not paying attention.